I work on quite a number of shows, so somewhere down the future when you're all famous, I'll be using.
Oh yeah.
I use this clip. How do you end up with this particular show tonight?
How did I end up in this particular show? Well, this group of women has been painting together for a few years, and we all get along well. We kind of encourage each other, and we take a workshop class together, and we got tired of painting just for the heck of it, and we just decided to
a little bit more serious. Somebody said the name of the show is Ensemble. Is there any particular meaning to that, or is there a common theme with? I know you're all different artists, but is there any common theme with the show, or is it?
Not really. Apart from all painting in acrylics, we've all got our own styles and our own subject matter. And,
does everybody paint in acrylics?
Yes, all the paintings are acrylic paintings or mixed media.
How long have you been painting yourself?
I've been painting for 3 years.
Was that it? Eh?
Yeah.
This is quite an interesting style. And what got you starting to paint?
I was just interested in color and the relationships of color, and although you can't really tell from this set of paintings, I wanted to learn more about it, so I enrolled in a class. And I liked the teacher and continued with her, and eventually met the other ladies in this group, and just kept going. I found it encouraging to be part of a group.
Who does the framing for your pictures?
My husband.
Can you talk about this particular piece?
This picture is actually the first one that I did in this series. I had collected beach stones at my brother's cottage and was interested in the patterns that were on them that had been worn in through wave action or whatever, fossilization, and just started exploring the patterning effects of them and the textures and whatever. And
what's the medium that you use in your?
It's acrylic paint, acrylic molding paste, and for the texture, some pencils and markers.
Tell me about this particular Saturday morning cartoons. The kids have any?
I obviously have 2 girls, and I've done life drawing, and so I've used them as models occasionally. So I've done some sketches of them, and I put them together in this composition of just sort of ideas rather than a finished portrait. Just sort of thoughts about typical children's activities, watching TV or hanging out.
Who does the puzzles?
Oh, at the cottage you do puzzles, you play cards, you play whatever. And
is this up at the cottage, or is this here?
well, this part is at home and this part is at a cottage, but it's sort of, I had a thought about an idea for perhaps a series on children's activities.
How many pieces have you done in the last 3 years? Is it a lot of big body work, or you just kind of get started?
Fair body. This represents 3 or 4 months' work, this particular series, and I've done other things. Some of it has been just experimenting on different kinds of things. But
so you're hoping to sell out a lot tonight, or?
Oh, that would be lovely. We don't expect it, but.
Okay, the last question I'm going to just ask you about is how you got together with, I know I've asked this before, but just how you got together with the other artists that are in the show. If you can elaborate on that.
We all met while taking an art workshop class with a very encouraging teacher who was very supportive of all our efforts and encouraged us to show in various jury competitions and various art shows. And after a year or 2 of doing that, we thought we would like to have a show of our own. So,
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Double thing.